Welcome to my Shopify Management for Freelancing course. In this course, I'll be teaching about basic Shopify. Also, I'll be showing you how to create a complete Shopify website without writing even a single line of code. And of course, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks about freelancing that will help you to make your first online income. Do you know there are millions of people around the world who are making thousands of dollars every single month by using their knowledge and skills? You will be amazed to know that if you can utilize your current expertise and skills, you can also generate thousands of dollars every single month. As there are so many online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.coms and other marketplaces where you can sell your knowledge and expertise to generate thousands of dollars every single month. Interesting, right? So if you are new to online industry and willing to make your first online income, I would recommend you to go through my Shopify Management for Freelancing course. Here you'll be able to understand about how things works to make money online using Shopify platform. As I know that our school, college, even university teaches everything except how to make money. Do you know? In life, you have to be skillful besides your college education. Otherwise, you will not be able to prove yourself in the world. If you go through my course and start jumping into freelancing industry, I think it will be a great opportunity for you, as I'm going to help you with each and everything that will help you to make your first online income in Shopify. So this is for now. Let's jump into the main content of the course, and I'll be more than happy to welcome you in my community. Thank you.